Alright guys, this is the first test that I'm about to perform, just to check if the motor rotates. So let me explain you real quick. This is a 56 volt battery that I'm using. It goes through a DC breaker, and guys, don't put AC breakers on DC circuits because DC arcs are harder to extinguish. That's why you gotta do it with a DC, not an AC. The other way around, you can use a DC circuit breaker for AC load, but not the other way around. So keep that in mind. So don't put yourself at risk. So this is the main voltage going through this. This is the circuit that is for the front. This is the circuit that is for the back. This one is not right now to the battery voltage. If you see, there's nothing here. So this one comes straight from the battery. This one is the negative side from the battery. Okay, so this is to have redundancy. So in the case of this contactor and that one, you know, one of them supposed to disconnect when you are disconnecting, just in case one fails, the other one will de-energize the whole system. That's why I got two. I gotta have another one somewhere in between here for the negative side on the other circuit. Well, coming on that, that will be later, discussed later. So here I got the pre-charge contactors. Like I said, this one is not working, or it's not energized. It won't be energized. And this one is the one that is working right now. If you see, I got that little thing right there is the pre-charge resistor. So it's before the contactor. So this is the normal, this is the common, and then this is the normally open. So it's charging, it's pre-charging. If you look, it's pre-charging that cable, which actually goes here to the inverter. Same with the negative. If we follow the negative, it goes straight to the contactor. All right. So all the relays, the 12 volt is slick here. That little thing making noise right there is my, and you see the red cable. That's my DC. That's simulating my 12 volt battery. This is the negative that is going. So all the contactors over here and relays, all of them are negative triggers. So I'm providing positive directly from the battery, and then the inverter is providing the negative part. So if you see over here, I got this quick connector over here. The green cable is triggering negative trigger to this relay. Okay, so over here the yellow is triggering the negative for the contactor. Okay, so that's what we have here. We got the panel. So this is my start, my ignition, the start. This is maintain or latch. This is momentary, and these are maintain. So reverse and forward. Okay. So now I will provide it. When I turn this on, you will see a light. It will be red, and then you will hear the pre-charge contactor engaging. Just waiting for me to press the start, and then you will hear, once I press start, you will hear the other one clicking. All right, so just let's see. You guys hear that? I have these on forward, but let me turn it off. So we hear the click. So now we gotta go to the PC, because inside there, what I was doing before, there is the Wi-Fi module. That's how I connect with the computer. So now here, let me make sure that I'm connected right now. So it's supposed to be power up. So it's supposed to say inverter right now. These inverter, so no internet, but I'm connected. So then I open the web browser and I type the IP address that they provide us, the people from openinverter.org. So one, I already have it. Okay, so we gotta wait a little bit. So right now, if I go to check what it is, so it's off because it's off, but at least I'm communicating. So another thing is you gotta press the auto and refresh, so it keep refreshing. If you see over here the loading circle, so that means that you are all the time monitoring. If you see here, it says UDC, that's the voltage of the battery, so it's measuring that. Is operation mode is off for obvious reason. I didn't turn it, and status says wait to start. Okay, so that's what we have right now. And if I give it the start signal, now you hear the other relay. That's the main contactor now, and this one turn off because there is no need for that. We already did the pre-charge. Okay, so now it says operation mode run, status none because we don't have any status right now, so that's good. Now it's just waiting for two things: give it a forward reverse signal and then press the throttle. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I will give the reverse signal. Boop. We gotta have reverse over here. Let's see if we got reverse. So I gotta just scroll down. So the pot nominal, that's the potentiometer, which is the accelerator pedal. So it's negative 0.9, which is good. That means that it's almost zero. And now I'm looking for the direction. I think direction right here. It says forward, and that's what now is waiting just for the signal to start moving. Okay, so now I will move this, and you should see the shaft moving. Alright, I don't like the way it sounds. It's because it doesn't have too much oil. I got a leak when I was, a big leak when I was working with it. But you guys see it turning. So we're good over here. We just need now to, clean this up, and I gotta poke some holes over here with some core grips and stuff on the other end, just to get in the voltage from the battery, the cables from the battery here, landed here, the cables out from the battery to the inverter, probably on the side I gotta bring the DC, the 12 volt DC cables. I will put a connector over here, like a 7-pin connector, so I can bring some stuff. This I know is plastic. I mean, it says it's explosion proof. I don't think so, but at least it's waterproof. So I'll be using this. In the meantime, I gotta do an aluminum one eventually, but for now I think this is good for testing and and all that kind of stuff. So that's where we are right now. I gotta make this pretty, and well, there we have it. There will be I gotta redo these connector. It's a 20-pin connector. I gotta remake that. I got the cable to do it. So after that, on the electrical side, just clean up this and make a copy and paste for the rear motor. So that's where we are, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.